Good morning, student. Today we will start the new chapter of the Spark book, chapter number 4, Pronoun. Pronoun means in Hindi or Punjabi, सर्वनाम, पढ़नाम. First of all, we will read this paragraph. John is a student. John goes to school every day. John studies a lot. John has an examination. John is my neighbor. Do you know John? Now, the next paragraph. John is a student. He goes to school every day. He studies a lot. He has an examination. He is my neighbor. Do you know him? So, in this paragraph, the pronoun he is used instead of John. What is used here? He. So, if we don't use the pronoun, we will have to use the noun John again and again in each sentence. So, first of all, definition of pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. संज्ञा के स्थान पर इस्तेमाल होने वाले शब्दों को सर्वनाम कहते हैं. Pronoun is used at the place of noun. The purpose of the pronoun is to avoid the repetition of noun. Main purpose is avoid the repetition of a noun. For example, I am poor, you are poor, he helps the poor. I am poor, you are poor, he helps the poor. In 3 sentences, I, you, he, these words are pronoun. So, number 1, personal pronoun. Personal pronoun describes the person speaking. I, me, we, us. I means मैं, me मुझे, we हमें, us हमें. The personal pronoun spoken to you or the person or thing spoken about he, she, it, they, him, her, them. So personal pronoun is he, she, it, him, her, them, I, me, we, us. For example, she called him. In this sentence, she and him are personal pronoun. He invited her. In this sentence, he or her and her are personal pronoun. In this word, he, she, it, they, we are the subject pronoun, and him, her, it, them, us are object pronoun. Personal pronoun are 2 types: object pronoun, subject pronoun. Subject pronoun are he, she, it, they. Object pronoun him, her, it, them, us. On the next page, the example is this is mine car. Mine means मेरी. यह मेरी कार है. The pronoun mine describes the relationship between the car and a person. The car and the person. So, who possesses this car? Possesses means अधिकार. इस कार ते किसका अधिकार है? Possessive pronoun indicate close possession or ownership of a thing or person to another thing and person. Possessive pronoun means अधिकार होना. So, for example, yours, mine, his, hers, ours, theirs, etc. So, the pronouns are of 4 types: subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive adjective, possessive pronouns. In subject pronoun I, we, you, they, he, she, it. In object pronoun me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Possessive pronoun my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. Possessive pronoun mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, as, theirs. So, first part is circle the subject pronoun. Subject pronoun means I, we, you, they, he, she, it. I am 10 years old. The subject pronoun is I. You are lost. You. So, complete this part yourself. The next part is circle the object pronoun. Circle the object pronoun. Object pronoun means me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. So, Jack is hurt because Brinda hit him. In this sentence, which one is object pronoun? Him. Don't be angry with me. Which one is object pronoun? Me. So complete this part yourself. This is your homework. The next C part is filling in the blanks with the subject pronoun or an object pronoun. There are two options. First sentence is mother earns as much as dash does. Which one is subject pronoun or an object pronoun? Mother earns as much as dash her. She does. The next one is dash go to school by Ben. Me, we or us. Us is object pronoun. We is subject pronoun. So we will write here we. So complete this part also. Next part is the D part, filling in the blanks personal pronoun. Personal pronoun means I, me. John is my brother. Dash is very intelligent. John is my brother. John मेरा brother है. He is very intelligent. वह बहुत होशियार है. My parents live in a town. I visit dash often. His sons are very hardworking. Dash is very proud of them. So complete this part yourself also. This is your homework from part A to D. Complete this part and submit your homework on your homework submission group. Thank you.